My name is Alexandra Cabrera, and my dream career is to be an Allen County Superior Court judge. My mom was born and raised in Mexico. My dad was born and raised in Guatemala. At a young age, I think they completed first and second grade, maybe, and then from there they had to work. My mom was one of the oldest out of, I want to say, 11 siblings, and she was a girl, so she had to, help cook, do the laundry, take care of the younger ones. My dad, being a boy, had to go out and hunt, well, not hunt, but, try and work, get some food for the family, maybe kill like a cow or two or some chickens. So they never got the opportunity to learn much. They had to quit school to be able to help their family out. I've grown to love school. I want to do something with this career with a degree in political science and, be able to help my mom out. Having a law degree will allow me to protect my family. It'll allow me to take care of them. I'll be well-rounded in politics, law. I'll know exactly how to help them and how to help myself. And so that's what I'm really looking forward to.